Hi everyone, it's Crazy Honda Chris. Here behind me I have a 2021 Honda Accord EXL. I'm going to walk around this vehicle and show you all the cool standard features and functions. You like this video, hit the like and subscribe. Let's go check it out. Alright, so we're going to start off here at the window sticker. You guys are welcome to pause the video right here to explore on your own, or continue to watch with me and explore. Now up on the top right hand corner it talks about your fuel economy. You got 30 for the city, 38 for the highway with a combined at 33. Down on the right hand corner it talks about your safety ratings, 5 out of 5. Who doesn't love that? Where the vehicle's made at, the price point, and then the list of standard features, which we're going to cover today. Alright, comes standard with 2 key fobs, remote start as well. To use remote start, it's going to be easy. You simply hit lock twice, 1, 2, click and hold this button down here for a few seconds. You see the lights flash. It's going to start right up. It's going to heat and cool the car to 72 degrees, runs in 10-minute intervals, and the doors will remain locked. You can deactivate that by just click and hold this button from there. Now, all of your Honda Sense features come standard. I'm talking about your lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and your forward collision magnetic braking with road departure. You can have a 1.5 4-cylinder turbo with a CVT transmission with 192 horsepower. You have LED lights all the way around. Your headlights, daytime running lights, fog lights, and tail lights are all going to be LED. You got front and rear parking sensors. They're going to be body colors, so they're supposed to blend right in for you. There's a parking sensor there, so you can see. Your LED daytime running lights wraps around into this nice chrome nose. Got a little bit of chrome within the front grille as well. If you step over here on the side, you get those nice 17-inch alloyed rims. A little bit more chrome down on the bottom of the car. A little bit of chrome on the top half of the windows. We're going to have heated body colored side mirrors with blind spot information system. So you get this nice little etching right over here. It lights up when the car is in your blind spot. It talks back to you when you have your turning indicator on and someone's in your blind spot from there. Body colored handles. We're also going to have smart entry. So let's say the car's all locked up. Put your hand in the handle. Unlocks it there for you. You can simply lock it up too. So take the key fob with you. Put your thumb down on the ridges. Locks everything up so you can walk away with confidence knowing it's locked. Now those days of accidentally, having keys fall out of your pocket. Oops. Hitting the lock button. There we go. Shutting the door. You cannot lock yourself out of the car anymore. You also can set up the walk-away auto lock feature too. So we have a capless gas tank. When the car is unlocked, simply push that door right in. No longer a $2 cap to argue, debate with. It's a simple slide and go. You're living the dream. When the car is locked, that's locked from that point. All right, we'll step back, get a little side profile here. Now, once again, you have LED taillights. Just make some bold statements you apply onto the brakes for safety, of course. We're going to have a multi-angle rear camera. A little bit of chrome down on the bottom again of the vehicle. Carpet mats come standard, no additional charge. You got awesome legendary trunk space back here. Those bench seats back here is actually be a 60/40. All right, so you got the levers here, so you can pull those down. You can adjust as you need. You got spare tire and additional tools you may need for those unforeseen events. Now inside of the Accord trunk, you can see there's some padding in here, just pretty much going to help reduce that road noise for the passengers in the back seat, and also if you don't have to hear things kind of jump around in the trunk. All right, as we open up the back door here, you got the nice little trim work within on the door. You guys know about power windows. Got some additional space down below. And look at that, leather seats come standard. So nice real leather. Couple adjustable air vents, USB ports, additional pocket space in the back of both seats, driver and passenger. It's always nice to have that additional storage space. Got an armrest with some additional cup holders. All right, up front, once again, you guys know about power windows, power locks. To get the window lock, you got your mirror selector left and right, the D-pad to adjust accordingly. And the window lock button, we have a nice little bit of trim work going on the door again. some additional space within the door, and then we have your trunk release from there. Going to have power seating. So, you got your forward, your back, up, down, tilt. You got your recline, and then lumbar. Now, we're also going to have power seating over on the passenger side. There it is. So forward, back, and recline. All right, down over here, you're going to have your hood release. We're going to get into the car. It's going to be a push button start. That's kind of. So when you get into the car, make sure you have the key fob with you. Put your foot down on the brake, hit the start button, and watch everything light up. So I'm going to blast the heat quick because I'm freezing. All right. Now over here, you can have 2-seat memory on the door. It's going to be quick and easy. So pretty much you can set on the back of each key fob. You can have key 1, key 2. This particular one's a key 1. So you can check out my video on that for some additional information. Pretty much you can walk in with key 1. Where do you have saved that key 1? It's going to change your side mirrors and then your seat to those settings. Over here we got some additional buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel. You got a trip. Got a little wheel. If you turn this wheel, change the brightness of your display screen. You have your parking sensors. Simply turn those on or off. Vehicle stability assist. You have a quick reference for customize of your Honda sensing features. So let's see if I hit home. So you select this button. This menu right here will pop right up. You can turn off your road departure, your forward collision magnetic braking if you wanted to, or your blind spot information system. We're going to keep those on though for the next people. You got your release for your steering wheel here. It's going to be a telescope, goes in and out, up and down, so you can adjust accordingly. We're going to have auto headlights, wipers and everything on the other side. Obviously the more you pull down, the faster they're going to go. Over here, you got some nice little hands-free for your phone. So pretty much you can answer calls, you can hang up, decline, voice command. Hey, call Crazy Honda Chris on mobile phone. Gives me a call and answer all of you guys' questions. You got your volume control, media control, and all that. And up here on the display, we'll kind of thumb through it so you guys see what's going on. Come on, focus right in. There we go. All right, we got it focused. If you guys have any questions about this stuff in here, feel free to contact me, Crazy Honda Chris, at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. All right, there's a quick little thumb through. Over here, you got all of your Honda sensing features. So we got your cruise control. Simply hit this button. Now it's activated. I can use it. I hit that button again. I cannot use cruise control. So there we go. We got that set. We have your adaptive cruise control right here. You can set the distance between you and the car in front of you. As you select this here, you can see those lines up there changing. More lines means further away. Less lines means closer. You just set the distance between you and the car in front of you. So with your adaptive cruise control on, you let's say you're going 35, the car in front of you is going 30. Once it finds that car in that distance, it'll slow you down to match your speed with theirs to maintain that distance. Once they get out of the way, you got to resume back to your normal cruise control. You have your lane keep assist. It's for your highway driving between 45 and 90 miles an hour. When you go out of your lane a little bit, it will beep and bring you back. You can turn that beep on or off from that point. As I select this button, as you can tell, there's going to be hollowed out lines right now because we're not going the proper speed and we're not finding lines on the road. If we did, it would be filled in white dotted lines. All right, so that's all of your Honda sensing features from right there. Let's kind of go over here to the touch screen. You got a nice touch screen. You can pair up multiple phones. You got all of these settings in here. You can customize your Honda settings. You can change all the vehicle settings, like when the door is unlocked, stuff like that. You got music options. You got FM, AM radio, satellite radio, Sirius XM, USB. You don't have a CD player, so you can download music onto a flash drive or a thumb drive or other stuff, and you can do a plug and play from that point. So kind of a nice little loophole. You're going to have Bluetooth, and they also have smartphone connection. You can have wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto from there. So pretty much the cool thing about that, you can take like your maps, Google Maps, other compatible apps, and display it right up here on the screen for you once you have that paired up. And that'll display right up there. Text messages. You can change the brightness of the screen by hitting this button here. All right, down over here, we're gonna have all of your climate control. It's gonna be a dual climate, so the passenger can change theirs, I can change mine, simply once I have it unsynced here. So there we go. I can change mine. You got your air circulation, different modes, front defroster, rear defroster with your heated side mirrors, AC from that point, and then your fan speed. Heated seats, you got a 3-tier heated seats, you got a high, medium, and low. A wireless phone charger, a couple USB ports, then a 12-volt. You got some cup holders over here. We got a couple different gears. You got your standard drive, then you have a sport drive, then a low gear drive. As you throw this into reverse, your multi-angle rear camera automatically displays. These buttons down here below show you how the camera acts. So like this one shows you a 180 view, right behind you view, then a straight down shot from your rear bumper. This button here is to turn on and off your cross traffic monitoring system. So right now it's enabled. You can tell because it's blue. Now it's not. So pretty much when that's on, when the car is coming from your blind spot, coming from the side, it will sense that, then it will beep at you, then point out what direction it's coming from. This button over here, simply it's going to pull up your parking sensors so you can see which one's going off, how close. It changes colors as you're getting closer to hit an object. Your parking sensors have to be on for this screen to come up. For example, if I shut off my parking sensors now, it automatically takes away that, and then I can't select it. So if you can't select it, that's the reason why. All right, we have an econ button. As you smack that econ button, you have a nice little green leaf to let you know it's on. If I smack it again, it's going to be off. Now it's on. If I smack it. So econ is going to make you more fuel efficient, most effective for your highway driving. You may get anywhere from 2 to 4 more miles to a gallon, depending on how aggressive you're driving. You can be sacrificing acceleration power, electrical power, and AC power. So you have to choose when you want to use it. You know, if it's like 120 degrees, you want to be fuel efficient or do you want to be comfortable? You have idle stop, comes standard. Pretty much when the car meets a certain criteria, when you're idle, it will partially shut off. So you're not consuming gas while you're being idled. And simply step onto the gas, it's going to start right up for you. We have electrical parking brake, hold brake. We got a nice leather armrest. Pops right open. Nice little tray, comes in and out if I need to clean that. 12-volt plug-in. Now up here on the dash, you got a nice little bit of trim work once again. Giant glove box, challenge accepted, fill it up, forget about what's ever in there. Goes to a whole new parallel universe. You have an auto dimming rear view mirror, so it's going to reduce those LED lights behind you, all of that glare. We have a garage door opener unit for home link. We have a one-touch power moonroof, opens, closes, tilts, all that good stuff, you know, as a sunroof or a moonroof should be doing. pretty much turn on and off your dome light. So if I turn it on, when I open up a car door, lights come right on. Place for the sunglasses. All right, also when you shut off the car, when your back doors are open before you start it up, or when you have the car running, you have a rear seat reminder there to just check the rear seats. So how cool is that? We'll take a last look here on the outside. If you guys found this video helpful, please feel free to hit the like or subscribe button. Drop a comment down below if you guys ever owned a Honda Accord before, like to share your experience, or if you guys have any questions. Once again, use that comment. Give me some feedback. Or you're welcome to contact me here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. All right, guys, thank you for watching and thank you for your support. Enjoy your day.